and suddenly she opened her window. A beautiful girl. She saw a little silly bird, but she was too sad. She went down the stairs and her little feet flew and take her. The bird needs help, said Gabby. She tried to catch, but she tried feeding her the seeds, but she kept hopping around from Gabby. Then Gabby found a shoebox. It just works for it. Now the bird was at the veterinarian. The veterinarian said he needs love and sleep. I'll take care of it, said Gabby. She sing the song for Gabby. Thanks, bird. One day, the bird didn't sing for Gabby. I'm sure you'll catch the bird, her mom said. She kept thinking as Gabby kept thinking. Now she feeded seeds, but she didn't eat it for Gabby. She opened and opened it up. Now she said thank you. The end.